Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so nice of you to click on this video today, and I want you to know that I do appreciate it. To all my subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for all your words of wisdom, for your encouragement, for your patronage. I am super duper grateful. And if this is your first time of coming through this channel or your first time of seeing my face, please subscribe. Join this beautiful happy family where we share information about products and also skincare tips. So please click on the subscription button and also on the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video is coming from me. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at black soap. Black soap is very good for your skin. Like when it comes to repairing the skin, when it comes to healing or glowing the skin, your black soap is the best bet. I know a lot of people don't like black soap because they complain that, oh, you can stain their bathrooms and all that. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at black soap. Black soaps are very good for your skin. They help to heal your skin, repair your skin, rejuvenate your skin, and they also glows your skin. So it's something that I will recommend that you add to your skincare routine. You can, use them twice in a week or 3 times in a week, whichever one is suitable for you. But it's something that you need in terms of, especially for people that are using all this whitening creams and soap. Try and get yourself a black soap. It will really help your skin. The traditional black soap is amazing. Like when it comes to black soap, I think Ghana really did really well in that soap, or in a lot of their black soap have been really good. So you can definitely use that one, but it's just like if you're making it at home, that one can be a little bit difficult to work with. So if you find that one difficult to work with, and sometimes it's not as easy as it looks when people are making the video, because you have to melt it down or you have to pound it, and most people don't really have time for that. So that's why they create all this soft soap that you can actually use and pro-mix or use like that, depending on what you want. So when it comes to black soap, I would say don't expect a whitening effect when you're using a black soap. It is a natural soap. It's not going to whiten you, no matter what people are telling you that this one is a whitening half cast or whatever stuff. I don't believe in any of that. But if you have used it and it whitens you, please leave your comment in the comment section. I would definitely like to know more. But I don't believe that any black soap can whiten your skin. That is not what they're made for. They are natural products. And because a lot of the actives that would have whitened your skin is not even going to work in them, and I'll get to that soon. Now, when it comes to making black soap, you have to understand that soap has a higher pH, and all these whitening actives have their user rates, the rates at which they will function. Some of them might be between 4% to 6% or even less. So if you're using something like, for example, alpha arbutin in your soap, you are just wasting that powder because it's not going to be effective. Because most black soap will be at a pH of about 7, when alpha arbutin could be at a pH of about 2 to 4%. So you have to know what you are doing. Don't just watch videos on YouTube and the next thing is you're buying ingredients and mixing them together. You're just wasting money. Those powders are too expensive to just waste down the drain. So I'll prefer to, if I want to mix a black soap that is going to be like for whitening, then I'll use serum to achieve that than using all these active powders. But if you really want to enjoy the benefit of black soap, then you need to get botanical powders. Oh my god, that will give you a very good result. From licorice down to papaya powder, down to you can even use your mulberry powder, your camwood powder, all those powders are amazing and they actually work. On the long run, you will definitely get a very good result because they are 100% natural. Not necessarily organic, but they are 100% natural. So those are the kind of things that you should endeavor to add to your black soap to get very good results. Now, let me introduce you to these 3 lovely soap that I have here. I'm going to insert the picture as well. This one is the Village Fresh. And is Alata Semina, is a traditional herbal soap. And I believe, if I'm right, is made in Ghana. These soap are really nice. I have 3 of them here. I have this one as well. This is the Cottage Fresh. And I also have the Alata Garden, the Diamond soap. There's many more of this soap on. This is just the 3 that I have here with me. Now, those soaps are very, very good for you to use at home. They can be easier to maneuver than the normal traditional black soap because they are in like a jelly kind of form. So it's easy for you. You can even use your hand to just mix them together without the stress of pounding or cooking in a crock pot. So this one is the one that I would recommend for you to try. It's easier to use and they can actually you can actually make these ones to give you like a whitening shade, because these ones have been you know, they've been produced in a way that you can actually, your actives can actually work in them. And when I mean active, I mean by adding serums into them. So if you add your serum into them, you will get a better result. So these are the soaps that I think if you are home and you want to start using black soap, try these ones. It will be easier for you to work with than the traditional one. But if you can pound, or if you can soak it, or if you have a crock pot, then you can definitely get the traditional black soap. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So what are the kind of powders that you can put in your black soap? Like I mentioned earlier, you can use your aloe vera. I'll prefer you to use the aloe vera powder. And if for any reason you want to use your aloe vera, use the aloe vera gel that you buy from the store. Avoid using fresh ingredients in your black soap. It is going to give your preservative too much work to do. Like I've seen video when people are using like pineapple and oranges and all these fresh fruits in the black soap. I don't even know how people can use that kind of soap. Unless you know that you are going to finish that soap within a week or 2, then that's fine. But if you're going to use that soap, or if you're going to sell that soap, please don't put fresh ingredients. I'm begging you. Because it's like putting the fresh ingredients in something and leaving it for a very long time. It's gonna go bad. And this is one of the reasons why people's soap smells really horrible, even if they put all the fragrance in this world. Please avoid using fresh ingredients. If you want to use any of these things, like your oranges and your papaya and all that, try and use the powder form or oil or extract. Use those ones. Those ones will work equally or better than even using the fresh one. And then it will still give your powder your soap longer shelf life. So please avoid using anything fresh in your soap. If you want to use those things, maybe use it directly on your skin and wash it off, but please don't mix it into your soap. Another thing I'm going to encourage you not to add to your soap are your cleansers. All those Santander and the 42 hours, please don't mix them into your soap. Black soap is supposed to be a natural soap. So make it as natural as possible so that you can get a very good result. You don't want to be using a soap that is already, that shelf life is gone. But because it's black, you won't even know. And this can cause irritation on your skin. So try and make your black soap as natural as possible. If you want it to whiten you, then find a very good serum, strong serum or oil, and mix into it. It is also very important that you incorporate a lot of oils into your black soap. Not too much, so it doesn't stop the soap from lathering. Just enough so that it can still hydrate your skin. because black soap tends to be drying. So you need something that is going to keep your skin hydrated. Another thing I would like to tell you is also to use those natural green whitening balls and the anti-pimples balls. You can definitely add them into your soap. But if a child is going to use that soap, please don't add those. You can also use your color ozone, but not with the soap that children are going to be using. Ozone is very, very good as well, but please don't use too much. These things can be very overpowering and it can cause your skin to dry more if you use too much. Then the white Ghana white soap is also an amazing one that can help in terms of lathering. It also helps to kind of like hydrate the skin as well, and it's very healing. So please, these are the things that you should incorporate into your black soap. Like I mentioned, don't use any fresh ingredient. If you want the benefit of all those ingredients, then use it in a powder form or in a oil form or as an extract. You will still get an amazing result. If you are still watching this video up till now and you have not subscribed, why? What have I done that you don't want to subscribe to my channel? Please subscribe. I need you to subscribe. I need your support. That is what pushes me and encourages me to make more videos like this. So click on the subscription button and also on the notification bell so you get notified the next time a video is coming from me. I'm going to use this medium to wish you a Merry Christmas. And also in the new year, there's going to be a giveaway coming from me. So stay tuned so that you don't miss out. It's just my way of saying thank you to everyone who has watched my video, who has commented, who has sent me a message or called me. I appreciate you all. And to my customers from YouTube, thank you guys so much. I am super grateful. Until next time, subscribe please and click on the notification bell. I'll see you. Be safe. Thank you guys.